Express yourself. Let them know. Never admire quietly. If I admire something about someone, I tell them. We are humans and we're so fragile. It's important to give people their flowers. It's never admire quietly. You see something you admire, tell them. You see someone wearing a beautiful outfit or something that really looks nice, compliment them. It's not hard. Don't just stand there looking like, make the person feel awkward. You like something, you compliment. It's not hard. It's very easy. It makes you feel good about yourself. You see something, you like, oh, you look lovely today. Did you die? No, it's just a compliment. Learn to compliment people. And when you do that, you feel good about yourself also. So, stop admiring quietly. Don't do that. Express yourself. Let them know. They might just not know. But when you say it, there's this